Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back. This lesson is going to be for the class 5 and which is also the whole number. अब सबसे पहले we're gonna send you the link as we did before. उस link को open करेंगे आप तो you're gonna go directly to the YouTube channel. वहाँ पे जाके सबसे पहले आपने सब्सक्राइब करना है ताकि जो भी नेक्स्ट वीडियोस अपलोड की जाएं you can have the notification regarding that. Okay, as I have uploaded the previous lecture of class 4, you can see the basics for the whole numbers. Basics you have to watch the video of class 4 lesson, then you can easily understand what are the basics of whole numbers. Then we will directly come to the point, that is the multiplication with the 100, with the 1000, with the 10. As you can see in this number, this is the 10th number. Okay, as we can see only 1 0. जब भी किसी whole number को, whenever this is a whole number, you can see किसी भी whole number को we multiply with the 10th one, तो 1 0 will use it straight away without doing anything. 1 0 will use it right here. Then 3 4s are 12, so the answer will be 112. Very easy way to solve it. जब भी we'll use the 10 with the whole number, we'll use 0 as it is. जो next number होगा 0 से, we'll multiply the whole number with this and we'll write it. We'll have the exact answer. Let's do for the 100. As you can see, 4 into 100. Again the rule will be the same, but we have two zeros here. 10 में हमारे पास एक था, 100 में हमारे पास दो हैं. So we're gonna use these two zeros right here. Then only remaining number in the 100 is 1. 4 into 1, that is 4. So 400 will be the answer. You can verify from another method as well. So this is the shortest way. Then we're gonna do the 1000. You can see this whole number will multiply with the 1000. So you can see the three zeros. Just use these three zeros as we did in the first and second. Then we have only one number remaining, that is 1. 17 into 1, that is 17. So we're gonna have the answer 17,000. You can verify it from another method if you want to. This is the shortest way to do it. Let's come to another thing. Multiply with 1 digit, multiply with 2 digit, and multiply with 3 digit. So solve करने के लिए you can see it's a very easy step to do it. When we multiply, first of all, before doing this, let's do a practice of it for one whole number with the 10. So 0 as it is, and 4 to the 8. Let's do another practice. We have 100 here, like 200. So again we're gonna use two zeros here. 4 into 2, 8. Let's use the 1000. Again three zeros. बिल्कुल बच्चों ऐसे. 4 to the 8. So you can verify the answers from other methods if you want to. This is the easiest way. Let's understand another concept, that is multiply with one digit number. You can see that 247 हम उसे multiply कर रहे हैं with one digit number, that is 3. You have read that in class 4. It's a very easy way. So I'm gonna do it a bit fast. So I believe you can understand it very easily. 3 into 7 is 21. We're gonna use the right number here down, and we're gonna use 2 as a, what we do, brought into the next number. So 2 यहाँ पे ऊपर आ गया, 3 4s are 12, ये 2 ऐड होगा तो 14. Again we're gonna use the right number 4 and 1 वहाँ पे चला जाएगा. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So this is the multiplication through the one number. Let's do with the two numbers, 1 2 and 1 2. So again the first step will be the same as we did in the multiplication with the one whole number. 6 2s are 12, 2 again 1 carry हुआ, 6 1 is 6 1 7 2. Question ये है कि आगे क्या करना है. जब भी we're gonna use the second number and we're gonna use cross or multiply within the first place, then we'll start from here. अब सेकेंड नंबर पर जाना है तो यहाँ पे क्रॉस यूज़ करना है. 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. देन द लास्ट स्टेप मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसको आप 0 कंसीडर करें. 2 0 2 7 2 9 and 1 as it is 192. दिस इज़ द ईजीएस्ट वे टू सॉल्व. स्टूडेंट्स इजीली अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा. उसके बाद लेट्स डू विद द टू नंबर. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो नंबर हैं, 4 and 7. We're gonna use the same stuff. 7 9s are 63, 3 इधर 6 कैरी हुआ, 7 2s are 14, 6 कैरी हुआ 20. अब आपको पता है कि जब भी हमारे पास 10 या 2 उससे ज़्यादा नंबर आ जाए तो we're gonna use the राइटर साइड. वो 0 यूज़ किया, 2 फिर कैरी हो गया, 7 6s are 42, उसमें 2 ऐड हुआ तो 44. अगेन यही सारा स्टेप हुआ. 4 इस सब से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, कैरी वाला स्टेप हुआ और ये ऐड हो गए. सो आई एम गोना डूइंग इट बिट फास्ट क्योंकि ये सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है. Let's do the practice, students. That is very easy. This is with the one whole number. 7 5s are 35, 7 zeros are 0, लेकिन 3 हमने कैरी किया था तो वो एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा. 7 3s are that is 21. So 7 again verify, 10 5 are 35, 5 3 carry, 7 0 are 0, 3 उस तरह ही आ गया and 7 3 are 21. क्वेश्चन होगा कि हमने 21 एग्जैक्ट क्यों लिख दिया. पहले तो हम वी यूज़ इट एज 1 राइट साइड और उसके बाद आगे चलते, लेकिन जब लास्ट में कोई नंबर कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए ना हो देन यू विल राइट द होल नंबर. ये नेक्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस यू कैन सी in your video. This is the assignment for you people. Do it as a homework, and I'm gonna upload next lectures very soon for you people to make these things understandable. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.